Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you. I was about to say birthday entry, but Luisa, this is coming from our friend Luisa, who is My Crafty Boutique, and she will not be participating in the giveaway. She wanted to send me some birthday mail. So this is considered happy birthday mail. So look at my box. Oh my God. Favorite, purple rain, purple rain. What the heck? Chalkboard vinyl from Walmart. What? They have this? Oh my gosh, let me get into this box. Let's bring everything out. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at what she made. Look at all these goodies in here. Oh my God. The whole box is full. Oh my God. How do you get it out? Oh my God. Let me see. I'm gonna pull the tissue paper and see if it'll, yeah, perfect. I just pulled the whole tissue paper out. There's the box. Bye-bye boxes. Oh my goodness. Just look at this, guys. Let me just feast your eyes on this gorgeousness right here. Let me open this up and now we can see all this bad mama jamma right here. Okay? Luisa is so insane. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Can you even see this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you even? I cannot even. This is so beautiful. I think she says she got these from Hobby Lobby. I think I saw her haul these. Yeah, these are the ready-made flowers that you find at the kids felt section. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Oh yeah, she told me about that. Guys. She sent me some of the gold tablecloth, guys, so I can make some ruffles. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Let's look at this thing. This gorgeous, beautiful creation that she has made for me. I can't even. I haven't even seen all of that she's made. All of everything that she's created. Like, serious. I'm not even playing. Like, I don't even know. But that's what it looks like. Oh my God. You'd think she was making something for a little kid. Well, that's me. It's me, the little kid right here. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. I don't want to take anything out. Oh my gosh. There's that flower, guys. So she added a rosette on here with a little brad. It says, it's your party. No, it's your day. Sometimes I can read, sometimes I cannot. So let's take these out because these are wanting to come out anyway. That's better. Much better. Look. Isn't this neat? This is so cute. I can just faint. And she did such a super fine line. How did you do that? I gotta watch her video. Did she do it before or after? But a super fine line of gold glitter on the edges. And she's got some layered ephemera pieces and some chipboard. Look at that chunky monkey right there. Oh my goodness. And it just says from Luisa Merced, My Crafty Boutique, September 2020. Thank you. And this beautiful straw. Wow. I want to go to that party. Iridescent. Wow. Can you see that? Beautiful. Okay. Let me see. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this beautiful stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at that. so gorgeous. She made a shaker unicorn with a big old purple sequin bow. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. She sewed all the way around the unicorn. And there's a little bit of, what's the, vinyl, not vinyl, it's thinner, the page protector, like something. And then she made a gigantic crepe paper rosette, and then she has a gigantic paper rosette with the glitter. I love it. Oh my gosh, I really need to make like something to put the rosettes in, because look at this, that's beautiful. And she just put a chipboard in the back, and then she has the little pinwheel and this beautiful paper. She has the best paper straw collection, I swear. Look at this one's purple. Okay. That's just the wands, guys. So I'm gonna try and move it along because I am so super slow at these. Look at this. There's a little front pocket right here on the bag. See that with the little unicorn, and it says sweet HBD. This little cupcake right here says yay, happy day. So cute. And she has a little faux stitch star. So cute. Tag, she made a shaker tag. That is so cute. She added some little flags on there. Ooh, yay, ephemera, wishing you a happy birthday, celebrate, tags. Girl, did you just give me all your tags? I'll take it. I'm horrible, guys. Oh, and she gave me some trimming trim already made. Yes, thank you, Luisa. Thank you. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What do I pull next? What do I get out? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's pull these out since it's not, it's waiting here. Look at this. She got the pink butterflies. These never came to us. She got the gold butterflies. I think I have the gold butter. I don't know. Sometimes I get people's hauls mixed up with myself shopping. Have you ever done that? Like you think you have it, but no. Really, you just saw it in somebody else's haul. That's me. Anyway, so there's the gold, and then here's the greenish blues collection. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Thank you, Luisa. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look at this paper clip. That is a cute unicorn. Super cute. And then she gave me some frames and tags. This is from Echo Park. 33 pieces. The frames and tags right there. And she gave me hooray, hooray. I have this collection, and I just used up the last of it on my last birthday challenge that I entered. Thank you, Luisa, for replenishing. Ooh, these are the Amy Tangerine puffy stickers. They're super puffy, guys. Super duper puffy. Oh my god. Sorry, I just had to do that. Amy Tangerine. Well, they're inflatable. It's still squishable to me, so that's what I'm gonna do. Squish them. So we got those. Thank you so very much, Luisa. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, she gave me some rosettes. Oh, yes, girl, yes. Oh my gosh, 2 different color purples. I don't have these 2. Well, do I have? I have one of these colors. I think it's this one. I don't have this one. Very pretty. Look, my video stopped recording, so I think the last thing I shared with you were my rosettes that Luisa shared, and her easel card that she gifted to me. This is an easel card, and she's got many layers on here with certain die cuts and ephemera pieces. And oh my god, I'm just so touched. And it says, you are such a wonderful reason to celebrate. And then she has yay on the banner down here, which is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Luisa. I'm so excited to have this card to display in my room. So my video ran out, and I just got to go download a whole bunch of videos off my phone so I can keep recording. But here is her memory decks card. I don't know if I got to share this, so I'm just gonna reshare this. And she made the little balloon cut out on the die card, on the on her silhouette. And oh my gosh, guys, like 50 million layers right here just to make her her balloon dimensional to make the shaker. And that's what it looks like on the back. And this just has her information. It's just her name, her My Crafty Boutique. And you guys are my name on the cake and happy birthday and little banners. Oh my gosh, so much detail, guys. Love, love, love it. And then on the back it just says happy birthday. So thank you so much, Luisa. And then I think the next thing I was sharing with you was this beautiful embellishment box. And here's more of that Hobby Lobby flower. And she's got this gorgeous rosette on here with a brad and this chipboard that says celebrate. I don't know what collection this is, so I'm so sorry, can't help you there. But it is a birthday theme. And she's got some of these little spring things that you could use, I guess, on some projects to give it some motion. And then these are like little cabochons she shared with me. Look at these little candy themes, I think. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm loving this clay type candy. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out, guys. My fingers, my fat fingers. And she's got a little lollipop, this little twisty candy there. Oh my gosh, so many fun things in here. Oh, so beautiful. And she put some little chipboard pieces in here. Thank you so much, Luisa. Some teacups and some houses and a little teapot. And she's got bigger houses and a car. Oh my gosh, so much can fit in this little tiny box, guys. And then she has a little sequin mix here. It's like some purple stars and circles, so pretty, in this little cute jar. I think these are from Walmart because I have some. And then there's some little jemmies here. Oh, they're like, oh, they're beads, guys. These are beads because I can see the little holes on the tops of them. Oh my god, that'd be so fun to play with. And she gets to be some purple tassels. Oh my goodness, so fun. Thank you, Luisa. And some little clay. Oh my gosh, they're like cabochons, guys. So like ice cream and cupcake. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much. And these little fuzzy beads, charms, pom-poms, I don't know. But they're so fuzzy. So there's pink, there's brown, there's white, the colors of ice cream, my favorites. And some unicorns. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeousness right here. And this right here. Oh, they're buttons, guys. Okay, so cute, Luisa. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we have, oh, these are erasers. Oh yes, girl, yes. You know what I'm doing with these. Some charmy charms. Yes. Some purple stars. Oh, these are so cute, Luisa. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you. There's so many goodies. I really appreciate you gifting me all of this. Oh my god, so spoiled. And what is this? Beautiful bag though, but what is in here? What the heck, you guys? It's a mystery. It's a mystery bag. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we got the purple sequin bow right there. It's a little clip. That's cute. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. She gave me some bling trim. Look at this. Girl. What? It's sticky? Is it supposed to be like a sticker? No. No, it's not a sticker, guys. That's beautiful. Oh no. You know I gotta wear this. Oh my god. Definitely gotta wear this. I definitely gotta wear this. Oh my gosh. What? Look at this gorgeous. Look at this. Luisa, thank you. Oh my god. Thank you. You girls. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Luisa. Oh my goodness, guys, you gotta appreciate this bag for all its glory. And then look at this dingle dangle right here. I gotta take it off so we can see it better. Oh my gosh, I can't, my thumbs won't work. Okay, there it is. She's got the fuzzy ball, she's got the bottle cap, so cute. She's got the unicorn, eraser unicorn, and the little star and a cabochon. How did you do that? How'd you do that, Luisa? Wow. Thank you so much. You guys, please go check out Luisa. She's My Crafty Boutique on YouTube and on Instagram. Also has a Zibbet shop. She sells a whole lot of stuff. Planners and digital kits, guys, which I've been playing with lately. So go check her out. I'll leave the links down below. Subscribe to her channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.